Legendary musicians Bob Marley and the Wailers rule the Billboard Reggae Album chart. The American music and entertainment magazine Billboard released its annual year-end list, which sees Bob Marley and the Wailers album securing the top spot for the second consecutive year. The album also sits at number 60 on the 2021 year-end Billboard 200 album chart, which ranks all albums from all genres. The Billboard's year-end 2021 music chart is ranked based on equivalent album units, airplay sales, and streaming in the United States. Now, actor Jussie Smollett was found guilty on Thursday on 5 of 6 felony counts of disorderly conduct. Smollett was charged for making a false report to Chicago police, claiming that he was the victim of a hate crime in January 2019. The jury of 6 men and 6 women deliberated for more than 9 hours over Wednesday and Thursday before reaching the verdict. A disorderly conduct charge for a false crime report is punishable by up to 3 years in prison and a $25,000 fine. However, Jussie's defense attorney said that he will be appealing the actor's guilty verdicts. Smollett is popularly known for his portrayal of musician Jamal Lyon in the Fox drama series Empire. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.